friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you about the Proton Mail. Actually it is a mail provider. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि वाई वी शुड यूज़ प्रोटॉन मेल, बिकॉज हमारे पास ऑलरेडी जीमेल है, सो वाई वी शुड स्विच टू प्रोटॉन मेल. सो देर आर सम फीचर्स एंड यू शुड नीड टू नो अबाउट दोज फीचर्स which are actually not provided by Gmail. And actually there are a lot of functionalities like without providing your basic info like your personal information to use Proton Mail. इतनी सारी functionalities हैं Proton Mail की that you should need to know and how to create account in Proton Mail. So I will also tell you आप कैसे create कर सकते हो account in Proton Mail. Simple एक step by step tutorial होगा where I will show you how you can create, where I have created my Proton Mail, and I should tell you also how you can create so that you can use Proton Mail and basically take the advantage which they have provided. Now basically here I will tell you the features of Proton Mail. So your Gmail ID is there, you need not to switch anything. If you want to create your Proton Mail account to check whether कि जो फंक्शनैलिटीज़ Proton Mail ने प्रोवाइड की है वो किस हद तक आपके लिए यूज़फुल हैं, सो इन दैट केस यू कैन स्विच टू Proton Mail. Otherwise you don't need to switch to Proton Mail. It's simple. It's your choice to switch to Proton Mail or not. So here are the features. So the first one is it's end-to-end encryption. Now what does end-to-end encryption mean? So basically the sender and the receiver के बीच में वो information रहेगी. There would not any hacker who can access it, and the employees actually will not use your information. So it's very important feature of a Proton Mail which they are providing. I think जो बहुत सारी mail providers नहीं आपको provide कर रही हैं. And there is point-to-point encryption. That means that if a person is sending some transaction-related information here, so that is also encrypted here, and that is not accessed by anyone. So here comes the third advantage, that is self-destructive emails. आप self-destructive emails भी use कर सकते हो. Simply, what does it mean? It means that आप simply उसकी timing जनरेट कर सकते हो, लाइक व्हाट द टाइम आप चाहते हो रिसीवर इसे यूज़ कर पाए एंड उसके बाद वो इसे नहीं चेक कर पाए. सो इट्स अप टू यू to create your self-destructive emails and send them. The another one is easy to use, and there are a number of themes that you can use in Proton Mail. Depending upon your mood you can change, and depending upon your choice you can change the themes. Now comes that it is completely open source. The code is completely open source which are provided by them. Now come another, that is assign color coded labels to organize your email. So basically there are some color coded labels, and I will also show you how you can create color coded labels, जो कि हमारे second question था, that is how you can create account in Proton Mail. Now the next comes that how you can access, I mean आपके पास Android app डाउनलोड कर सकते हो Proton Mail, and you can also go through their web version to access your emails right there. And here comes that you don't need to provide your personal information, that आपको अपनी personal information देने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. You can simply access it through providing your recovery email, which I will show you in the video. And basically you don't need to use your phone number or any such thing to access your Proton Mail account. And the last one, there is Proton Mail calendar that is also provided to you. Basically you can schedule things, you can schedule your emails right there. And let me tell you now the step-by-step tutorial of how you can create your Proton Mail account. And what you need to type here is simply Proton Mail, and the very first website that you will get is Proton Mail encrypted email. आपको यहाँ पे click करना है. And after clicking here आपको ये website open हो जाएगी, that is secure email based in Switzerland, get their encrypted email. And these are the features which I have told you कि कौन कौन से features हैं जो वो provide कर रहे हैं. They have also mentioned in their website. Here this is the design which they have created, and there are number of themes जो आप choose कर सकते हो, white, black and so many I think. And there you need to simply sign up here, and after clicking on the sign up button what you will get is select your Proton Mail account type. So there are these 4 types of accounts. There is free, plus and so many. So you can choose free account if you are individual. अगर आप चाहते हो free account use करना, it's simply like 500 MB storage which they are providing, 150 messages per day, and a limited support which they are giving, and this is minimal for an individual. And for the business companies they can opt for a plus account and the other accounts, professional and visionary accounts that they have created here. So after that जब आप free को ले लोगे, I'm using this free account to show you, and here I will create my Proton account. What you will need here is a username, password, and after that आपके पास एक recovery email होना ज़रूरी है. You can choose phone number as well, but I'm giving here my email ID as the recovery email ID here. And here you can select your plan. So I'm selecting the free plan here, and I'm creating my Proton account here, and this is the checking which is needed here. And after that, what you will get is, welcome to Proton, our mission is to build an internet where all control of data and privacy. Yes, so you have to choose a display name which you have chosen, and here is that you have to select a theme. Like I'm selecting a theme right here, and there are a number of themes right here which I'm selecting right is Monokai theme, and next. So discover of Proton services. There are so many services which are providing calendar, Drive, VPN, and so many. So you can next that, and you can also use the Proton Mail mobile app using this QR code, scanning this QR code here. And let's start this. So this is the interface of Proton Mail here, and this is the beautiful interface which you will get. And there are drafts, there is send which is also in Gmail. But what are the things that are different from Gmail? जो चीज़ हमें लगता है कि different है वो ये है कि यहाँ पे expiration time है. So you can click here और आप अपनी expiration time set कर सकते हो. Like I'm selecting whatever, like 1 day 20 hours के बाद ये email बिल्कुल distract हो जाएगी. So here comes the Proton Mail, Calendar and Drive, which I have told you कि ये features हैं इनमें. And after that you can create a label here. So how you can create a label? By simply adding a label name, like whatever the label name, like I'm creating education here, and choose a color here so that आपको बाद में in future you will recognize that okay, this is the color and this is the email from those companies, from those websites which I am getting right here. Okay, so this is all about how you can use Proton Mail and how you can create your Proton Mail account. Thank you.